this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly update your Uber Eats app. So the first thing that we want to make sure is that we have closed the Uber Eats app completely. Now, once the application is closed, we can go to the App Store or to the Google Play Store, and we will use the search bar here to search for Uber Eats. So Uber Eats, like this. Now you will be able to see the application here. So we just want to make sure we click on it. And if it says open, then it means that you have the most up-to-date version of Uber Eats. If you see an option here called update instead of open, then you can just click on that, and that is going to update your Uber Eats app. And one more way of how we can do this, we will go here, we can offload. So we're just going to offload unused apps. So just search for offload here. And you can find your Uber Eats application in this list. So for example, here we have Uber Eats, and you can offload the application and it is going to reinstall the most up-to-date version. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.